Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello there everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG Aristo 2. Okay, so it's really simple. Let's put these down. All you have to do is remove the back cover first. It's going to have a slight opening over here on the back. So you're going to just squeeze your nail in there and pull it back. Opens up very easily. Let's remove. And actually for this phone, you don't have to remove the battery to place the SIM card and SD card because we're going to place them in right here. So let's go ahead and place the SIM card in first. You're going to place it in like this, the slanted part inwards. And we're going to place it in the bottom slot. So place it in right there and push it in. Then we're going to place the SD card. It goes in with the smaller portion in first. We're going to place it on the top slot and push it in all the way until it doesn't go in any further. There we go. Once you have it in there, let's go ahead and place the back cover on. Okay, so right away, your phone should pick up signal if your SIM card is activated. If you see that it says searching for longer than you want, then just reset the phone, restart it. Just power off and restart so that when it restarts, it can pick up service right away. Okay, so the phone powered on, it restarted, so it says service disabled, and right away it picked up the signal. So it's still trying to pick up the signal here, I see. Let's scroll down. Yep, it says Metro PCS. It's reading the SIM card, but give it a couple seconds so that it can pick up signal. And there we go. Now we have signal. Now we're able to receive and send calls and text messages. Okay, so that's pretty much it for installing your SIM card. As long as it's activated with the carrier of the phone, it should be ready to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up your SD cards so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of your phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to camera. Once you're in camera, you're probably going to get this message which says change storage to SD card. So that's pretty much it. All you're going to have to do is hit change. And from now on, pictures and videos taken will be automatically stored to your SD card so that you don't take up the phone of the memory of your phone, of the storage of your phone. If you want to confirm that it is saved correctly, you can go to settings, up here, and then scroll down to storage and make sure that SD card is there. If not, you can also select it from here. SD card. There we go. So pictures and videos from now on will be saved to the SD card. And now I'm going to show you how to transfer old files from the memory of your phone to the SD card so that you can free up space. All right, so what we're going to do is scroll over to management and go into the file manager. Allow. So here we are in the file manager. We're going to select the three lines up here. Okay, so here we're going to select where we want to transfer from. So we're going to transfer from the internal to the SD card. So select internal storage. Here we're going to select the files that you want to transfer over. So I'm going to transfer over pictures and videos. That's going to be here in DCIM folder and in camera. So as you can see, I only have 2 pictures here. You're probably going to have a lot more stuff in here. But we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select the 3 dots up here. We're going to select move. And we're going to hit select all. Once you have them all selected, hit move down here. We're going to select where we want to move them to. So to the SD card, to the same DCIM folder of the SD card. I'm going to want to create a new folder. There we go. And then hit save. So we're going to go into this folder and we're going to move it here. So hit OK. and the files will be moved to the new folder that we just created. So let's go ahead and verify that it's no longer in the internal memory. Let's go to internal storage, DCIM folder, camera. As we can see, it is no longer in here. It was moved to the SD card. And keep in mind, you can do this with any other type of file that you want to transfer over from the internal memory of the phone to the SD card so that we can free up space and so that the phone can start working a little bit smoother and normally again. All right, everyone, that was just a quick video on how to set up your SIM card and SD card on your LG Aristo 2. See you around in the next one. Peace.